We'll guide you through how to delete search history on the YouTube app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, there's some search history you wish to delete on YouTube. Perhaps it's just one thing or it's all of it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So make sure this full video and you'll know how. So I can press the search button in the top right and go and see the different things I search for and I want to go and delete. So what we can do is we can head to the bottom right of the YouTube app. There you're going to go and find the U button, which you need to go and tap on. You then go and see your history here and some playlists. But what you need to do is go and head to the top right of YouTube. For whatever reason you want to delete your search history, perhaps you want to search something you regret doing and you want to go and delete just that, or you want to go to a fresh start and delete all of it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So make sure this is full video. To get started, you can go and see your search history of pressing the search button in the top right. You won't be able to go and see all of it here though. So to go and start deleting and clearing it, press your U button in the bottom right like this, and you'll be brought to this page. You can go and see your account, some history and playlists. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and you'll go and find the gear or cog icon, tap there. That opens up your settings. What you want to do is you want to go down and you can find manage all history and you can tap there. Now we're going to go and see your history here. You're going to go and see search and watch history. If I go and scroll down, you can then go and start seeing more. So for example, you can see I search for this here, which I could then go and delete to the right. Now what I can do is go and delete videos as well. That's just deleted. But if you want to go and delete all of it, what you need to do is come to the top, find the delete button and you can tap that. Then we can press delete all time, for example. Now what I can do is press delete in the bottom right. This is going to delete watch and search history and you can then press got it. Now what you can do is you can come out of here like so. What's worth doing is just restarting the YouTube app to make sure it refreshes. You can swipe up on it, close it, then I'll drag down and we can open up YouTube again. Now if I go and press the search button in the top right, you'll go and see it's gone.